Plastic bags start out as fossil fuels and end up as deadly waste in landfills and the ocean. Hi friends, I'm Sneha. Welcome to Snatty. Today I'm going to speak about alternative for plastic bags and how we can source it. Birds often mistake shredded plastic bags for food, filling their stomach with toxic debris. For hungry sea turtle, it's nearly impossible to distinguish between jellyfish floating plastic shopping bags. Fish eat thousands of tons of plastic a year, transferring it up to food chain to bigger fish and marine mammals. Microplastics are also consumed by people through food and in the air. It's estimated that globally, people consume the equivalent of a credit card of plastic every week. And it's expected that there would be more plastic than fish in the sea by 2050. Now let us see what are the facts which lets us to think about why we should discard using plastic bags. Number 1, death of animals. Plastic bags kill about 1 lakh animal annually. Many animals including whales, dolphin, turtles, penguins, plastic bags as they mistake them for food. Number 2, plastic bags are non-biodegradable. Plastic can take up to 2000 years to completely decompose. In fact, all the plastic that ever been manufactured still lingers in the environment. That means you'll never live to see the decomposition of the plastic that you've been using. Plastic bags are made from petroleum products. Production of plastic takes about 60 to 100 million barrels of oil from the world's petroleum reserves. Therefore, plastic contributes significantly to the depletion of these valuable resources, making the prices of petroleum products to rise every passing day. Next point is massive accumulation of plastic bag blocks drainage system. Plastic bag accumulation are one of the most common causes of drainage system clogging. Developing countries are mostly affected by that. Plastic bags are the main causes of Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Plastic bags have contributed significantly to a massive pile of plastic debris found in the North Pacific Ocean. The garbage pile, which is nearly double the size of Hawaii, is known as the Great Pacific Garbage. It is difficult to believe that plastic bag chemicals can affect reproduction in women. Certain chemicals used in the manufacturing of plastic bags, especially BPA, acts in the same way as estrogen. In the long run, these chemicals may interfere with the hormonal balance in women and after production. In the long run, these chemicals may interfere with hormonal balance in women and affect reproduction. Moreover, studies have linked BPA to breast cancer in animals. These chemicals has also been associated with thyroid issues and neurological disorders in humans. There are many more harmful effects of using plastic. I'm not going into the further details. So let's see what is the alternative for that. We can use eco-friendly bags such as jute bags, cotton bags, Yuko bags, etc. And let's see, like jute bags are made from natural fiber. It is also known as golden fiber. Now let's see what are the advantages of using a jute bag. Reusable, environment friendly, do not require maintenance, 100% biodegradable and recyclable. They are cost effective and cheaper than plastic and paper bags. Why? Because you can use those bags n number of times, whereas plastic, it's one time purchase. You purchase and then you have to keep on purchasing. Jute bags are very strong and they are capable of withstanding heavy weights, durable and lasting. It's not easy to tear like a plastic and a paper bag do. Jute has good insulating and anti-static properties, low thermal conductivity and a moderate moisture gain. Apart from jute, you can use cotton bags also. They are eco-friendly. They are also an alternative to plastic bags. They are also durable and very easy and lightweight to carry. And same way, it saves your money. If the average person uses 700 bags per year, the cost of buying plastic bags adds up. If you buy eco-friendly options such as canvas tote bags and cotton bags, you can limit this cost and save yourself a lot of money over time. Now, eco-friendly bags for your business, offering your customers are eco-friendly bags to take their shopping home. It can boost customer retention and give your shop a good name. Customer don't want to contribute to the plastic problem, but unless you give them a choice, not they feel like they have to. Many people are always happy to pay a little bit more for an eco-friendly bag and they can use over and over again. So, how can you order this customized bag? You can get in touch with various eco-friendly bag manufacturers spread across globe. Now, here I would like to talk about a company called Little Earth Commercial Private Limited. They are Kolkata-based company in India, and they are in the business for quite some time. They have almost completed 11 years in this. They are mainly exporters and they do also domestic business, and they do wholesale stuffs as well. So you can customize your bags, and they can give you the prices and everything. I will give you the details in the description box. They make bags made from jute, cotton canvas, juco, and other materials also. The website is here. You can WhatsApp and write a mail also. Some of the products that Little does are promotional bags, shopping bags, laptop bags. Yes, you can also do your laptop bags in canvas, cotton, or juco. Cotton gift bags for all occasion, be it wedding, personal, private functions, corporate events. Fruit packing bags, they are a major supplier of fruit packing bags and apples in the bags, and they get sold in the supermarkets. Laundry bags, cute storage bags, stationeries like pen stand, memo stand, and organizers. You can customize your products and bags based on your size requirement. The color, you can get it in various colors based on your Pantone shades. You can get it printed, embroidered, and tags and care labels can also be added. And what more? Just pick up your phone and give a call and try out for your next. Details are there given in the description box. You can get in touch with them. I hope you have liked this video, and I do hope that we bring some changes to our Mother Earth and make it a better place to live in. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.